When you observe the yellowing of leaves, you may have many doubts in your mind regarding the yellow color of leaves. The reasons may be very simple, like underwatering, to some of the diseases like leaf blight. If you look at this plant, the leaves are turning yellow. We will look into this in detail. What are the main reasons for yellowing of plants? You also may have noticed this problem in your garden. In that case, you have to analyze the problem before treating it with some chemicals. Hi everyone, welcome to Trust Basket. I am Kirti. In today's episode, we will be learning about what is yellowing and what basic reasons are causing yellowing of your plants and how to overcome it. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the problem that your plant facing and how to control it organically without using any chemicals. So let's get started. Yellowing could be seen in the entire plant or in some older leaves, younger leaves, or yellowing of the half of the leaf. Before going further, first we need to understand the natural yellowing of plants. When leaves get older, they will gradually turn yellow and plants shed their leaves. Usually outer or older leaves will turn yellow and fall down. This is not a problem for your plants because it is a natural process that every plants undergo. Other than these natural yellowing of plants, there are many reasons that cause yellowing in your plants. The very basic reason for yellowing of plants is overwatering. If you observe yellowing in your favorite plant, first you have to think about how many times you are watering your plant in a day, and are you checking the soil wetness before watering. Because sometimes due to over love and care, you may often water your plants and cause the yellowing of leaves. So just think twice about this before watering your plants. If you are doing this mistake, please stop overwatering. If you want your plant to gain the natural green lush color, you have to follow these simple steps. Check the soil up to 1.5 cm before watering. If it is wet, you can postpone watering. If it is dry, you can water it. Every time you water plants, you have to go through this step to avoid problems for your plants. Watering mainly depends on the season. Usually in summer, plants transpire more and lose more amount of water. So you have to water once in 2 days or every day depending on the prevailing temperature in your place. In rainy season, plants will get water most of the time from rain. So you have to water your plants at least once in 5 to 6 days. In winter days, you can water plants once in 4 to 5 days. Whatever may be the season, the basic rule to water plants is by checking the soil wetness. If you are watering once in 2 days or once in 5 to 6 days, you need to check the soil wetness before applying water. Give proper drainage to plants. If drainage is not good, it may cause many problems other than yellowing. Make sure to check your pot has a drainage hole before planting in that. The next important reason for yellowing of your plants may be less availability of sunlight. When you have checked all other problems but still find any answer for your yellowing of plants, then you have to check the light condition of plants. When plants will not get a sufficient amount of sunlight, they will tend to turn into pale green or yellow color. This is mainly due to reduced production of chlorophyll in plant leaves. As we discussed in our previous episodes, chlorophyll is the green color pigment present in plants. It is the main reason for green color of plants. Plants want sunlight to produce this chlorophyll content in leaves. When sun-loving plants like rose plants, jasmine, cactus and hibiscus, if they receive very less amount of sunlight or no sunlight, they will tend to show pale green or yellow color leaves. That's why you need to check the light condition for the plants before treating them with some chemicals. We cannot apply this to all kinds of plants because some shade-loving or low-light plants like anthurium, Boston fern and peace lily, they do not want much sunlight for their growth. So if such plants are showing yellowing, you have to consider the proper reason for yellowing of those plants. If sunlight condition is better in your garden, then you have to consider other reasons for yellowing of your plants. The other reason may be dehydration. The next important reason may be dehydration or underwatering. Sometimes you will forget to water your plants. So when you do not apply water continuously, it may cause the yellowing of leaves. So if you are doing this mistake, please correct it by deep application of water instead of shallow watering. Deep application of water means you have to apply water until water drains out from the drainage hole. And again you have to check the soil wetness before watering, because it is a thumb rule to apply water for your plants. So if you are applying water regularly, but still if you are noticing yellowing of leaves, then you have to check the other reason for yellowing of plants. The next reason for yellowing is over fertilization. There are many possibilities that you tend to apply more water and fertilizers for your plants. You might think that your plant will grow well, but excess application of chemical fertilizers not only harms the growth of plants but also the soil. Once check the type of fertilizer you are using in your garden. If you are using any chemical fertilizers like 17-Al or 19-Al, applying them more frequently could be the reason for yellowing of your plants. If you are doing this mistake, if you are frequently using chemical fertilizer for your plants, try to replace it with some organic manures, because organic manures will be having most of the nutrients that helps the plant growth, and it is good for both your plants and the health of your soil. If you replace chemical fertilizers with organic manures, there are many benefits for your plants and the soil, because application of compost or any type of organic manure decreases the soil compactness and it increases the soil aeration and drainage level. So application of organic manure increases your soil health when compared to the chemical fertilizers. If you really cannot replace chemical fertilizers with organic manures, then you have to apply them carefully by reading the dosage mentioned on the product, because excess application of chemical fertilizers may not only harm your plants, it also reduces the health of your soil and makes it toxic. Overwatering, underwatering, use of chemical fertilizers and less sunlight are the most common reasons for any plant to become yellow. If you got the solution for yellowing of plants in these categories, you can start applying these tips to recover your plants. We hope you have understood basic reasons for yellowing of your plants and how to overcome it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye until next time. We make different gardening products. We sincerely believe that our products will delight you. If you consider buying our products online, please refer to the link below in the description. If you want to know more about gardening, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.